Hello, today we are at the Old Mill House Coffee Cafe and Boutique. It's located 25 Central Square right here in Chelmsford. And I am Linda with the Pozerycki Arpino team. Behind the camera is my partner, Bill.
Hello, everybody.
We are highlighting this store, which is a really unique concept. It's kind of 3 stores in one. They have a retail side, which they support a ton of local artists, as well as they have a coffee shop and a little bit more. And I will let the owner, Eileen, tell you all about that when we interview her. And stay to the end because I have a tip about parking for you. So now we're inside and we are talking to the owner, Eileen. She's also a Chelmsford resident. So just wanted to have her update you a little bit about the artisan retail part of the store.
Yes, thank you. We are home to about 30 different artisans from the local area. All of their goods, you can see a ton of it behind me. They are made in the local area within probably a 30-mile radius. So they're all local. Everything here is handmade. So even if you're just buying a cup of coffee here, you're supporting over 30 local small businesses.
That's neat.
Yes, so everything in here is handmade. Everything is locally made. We have everything from pottery, books, cards, candles, knit, crochet stuff. You can find a little bit of everything here.
And then at the front, so it wasn't when your original started, but now you have a coffee place as well in front.
We do, yes. I think it was 2018.
Okay.
We had opened it was originally called the Artisans Exchange, where it was just all art in classes. And then the pandemic hit. So we kind of had to pivot, as the word of the 2020 was.
Right.
So my brother and I took over and we opened up the coffee shop with it. It was kind of a crazy decision, but it actually was the best decision that I made because now even the artists are getting even more, their sales are up. Who doesn't love a cup of coffee? So we have like the best of both. They kind of go hand in hand.
Yes.
So we have a great brewer coffee roaster in Dennis, Mass.
Oh, okay.
And we get all of our coffee from Dennis, Mass. He roasts it there. It's all fair trade, all fantastic coffee that he brings in from all over the world.
Yeah.
Roasts down in West Dennis, and then he brings it up to us every other week.
Oh,
so
wow.
It's always fresh. And again, a local small business that you're supporting.
Yes, we always like to shop and dine local.
Yes.
And you mentioned classes, and I took a felting class here just recently and loved it, but tell a little bit about your classes.
So, because I'm not busy enough, we also do classes here, and with all of the artisans that we have, they are so talented, so wonderfully talented, they all want to share their craft. So they're offering lots of different classes. Like you mentioned, felting. We have crocheting, we have knitting, we have a soap making class coming up, jewelry making, a little bit of everything we're trying to offer. And you don't have to know what you're doing.
Right, yeah, I did not know what I was doing.
I am not an artist, so I love to learn from all of our artisans.
Yes,
so it's really fun.
All right, it's a great combination here in Chelmsford. So we're outside now in their outdoor patio. So there's plenty of spaces out here. If it's nice weather, you can always just get your coffee and hang inside as well. So my tip for parking that I mentioned is in the back of the building. So if you drive around back, now there is street parking, but if you drive around back, there are at least 4 spots that have signs that say it's dedicated parking for the mill house. So you don't have to worry about it. So we will be doing other local shop and dine. We did the Cafe 12. You can check that one out as well. And then stay tuned because we're going to do Millhouse again for the holiday time for last minute shopping ideas. Don't forget to like our business page on Facebook as well as subscribe and hit the bell so you can find out when we have new videos coming up. Thanks so much for watching.